तो in 2026 for a young retail investor, according to you, क्या ideal asset allocation होगा?
I would definitely say that be focused more on the large caps because I think there are just too many problems in the mid caps and the small cap space. So I would go with 40% allocation to large caps. I would go with the 30% allocation to small caps and micro caps and the balance allocation in other asset classes. It could be gold, silver, or global markets.
And what about debt or fixed income?
Well, that's one's own profile, but at any point of time, if you are a youngster, I think you could have a 10 to 15% exposure. But if you are somebody, who's more middle aged, I think in today's world, you need that 20-25% exposure to debt. I know debt is a bad word. I know with what equity markets have done. I speak to many youngsters and they feel that be 100% invested. Market to chali jata hai. Declines to, they end up getting bought into every single time. It's not that easy. So that debt component has to be there in today's dynamic world जहाँ पर कहीं भी कहीं से आ जाए.
So ideally, like 20% of the allocation should be in debt, according to you, mutual funds, yeah, fixed income, bonds, and all.
I mean, if you're a youngster, that could be 10 to 15%. If you're somebody who's a little more middle aged, I would say the allocation has to be higher.
And when it comes to your personal asset allocation, what's your personal asset allocation looking like?
So I think I was a lot into gold and silver. Honestly, I think my allocation was as high as 50% to gold and silver in the last 2.5 years.
Wow.
Because the comfort was there, the mega trend was there, the return was there, everything was perfect. That has come down to say about 15% to gold and silver. And I am more into, I would say 20% would be large caps, and the balance would be small caps and micro caps.
Got it. What's your boldest prediction for 2026? One contrarian bet that you have.
China. I do believe that China is the next big opportunity. The way I see it on the charts, I said this, that where gold was 2.5 years back is probably where China is today. And if that stock market delivers, see, the country is delivering, the economy is delivering, we are all fascinated with what they do. Why isn't the stock market delivering? Some people say that they're not interested in the stock market for whatever reasons. But Kushal, let the momentum pick up there. You will see madness, you will see a stampede because it is so undervalued that a lot of global investors will feel that this is an opportunity. That's exactly what happened with the AI trade in the US, with Nvidia, with Alphabet, and all of these stocks did so well in the last 2.5 years. So sadly enough, I think the biggest opportunities that you're going to see this year is outside of India.